Hi students, good morning. Today our topic kinematics. What is kinematics? Kinematics is a branch of mechanics. Kinematics is a branch of mechanics. Suppose we throw a chalk piece. We study only about the motion of the object. That is called kinematics. Next, rest. Rest, R-E-S-T, rest. Rest means the object cannot change its position. The object cannot change its position. The object cannot change its position with respect to the object cannot change its position with respect to time or surroundings is called rest. Suppose we place a object. This object does not change its position with respect to time or surroundings. This is called rest. Next, motion. The object can change. The object can change its position with respect to time or surroundings. The object can change its position with respect to time or surroundings is called motion. Suppose we are in motion, our surroundings are changed. Suppose we are in motion, our surroundings are continuously changed. That is called motion. Next, motion is two types. Uniform motion, non-uniform motion. First, uniform motion. Uniform motion means the object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is called uniform motion. The object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Interval of time is called uniform motion. The object covers equal distance in equal interval of time is called uniform motion. Suppose distance 5 meters. Distance 5 meters. The object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. All distances are equal. All times are equal. D1 5, D2 5, D3 5, D4 5. Next, time. T1 is equal to 2 seconds. T2 is equal to 2 seconds. T3 is equal to 2 seconds. T4 is equal to 2 seconds. In all conditions, distances are equal. In all conditions, times are equal. Uniform motion means distance by time. D by T1 5 by 2 2.5 meter per second. Next, second one 5 by 2, same, d by 2, 2.5 meter per second, third one 5 by 2, 2.5 meter per second, next one d4 by t4, 5 by 2, 2.5 meter per second. In all conditions motions are equal, 2.5 meter per second, 2.5 meter per second, 2.5 meter per second, equal distance in equal intervals of time. It is called uniform motion. Next, non-uniform motion. Next, non-uniform motion.
Start.
Motion, the object which covers equal distance in unequal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. Example, equal distance 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, unequal times 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 by 2, 2.5 meter per second, 5 by 3, 1.66 meter per second, next 5 by 4, 1.25 meter per second, next 5 by 5, 1 meter per second. Another definition of non-uniform motion, the object which covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. First condition, distances are equal. Second condition, distances are different, times are equal. Second condition, distances are different, times are equal. This is also called non-uniform motion. Formula 5 by 2, 2.5 meter per second, next 6 by 2, 3 meter per second, next 7 by 2, 3.5 meter per second, 3.5 meter per second. Fourth condition, 8 by 2, 4 meter per second, 4 meter per second, 2.5, 3 meter per second, 3.5, 4 meter per second. Here the motions are not same. This is called non-uniform motion. Next topic. Next, distance. Next, distance. Distance means the actual length of the path. The actual length of the path traveled by the body. Distance, the actual length of the path traveled by the body is called distance. It is denoted by D. It is denoted by D. It is a scalar. It is a scalar. It having units. Centimeter, meter, comma, kilometer. It having units centimeter, meter, comma, kilometer. It is always positive. It is always positive. Only in a straight path. Distance. What is meant by distance? The actual length of the path traveled by the body is called distance. It is denoted by d. It is denoted by d. It is a scalar. It is a scalar. What is meant by scalar? The physical quantity which having only magnitude but no direction is called scalar. Next, it having units centimeter, meter, kilometer. It is always positive. Suppose we are moving forward, distance is positive. We are moving backward, distance is positive. Distance always positive. Only in a straight path, distance and displacement equal. Only in a straight path, distance and displacement are equal. Only in a straight path, distance and displacement are equal. Suppose we are traveling this part. Suppose we are traveling this part. This path is indicates only distance. This path is indicates only distance. Next, this path indicates only distance. Next, displacement. Next, displacement. Displacement means the shortest distance between initial position to final position. In this path, the shortest distance between initial to final position. In this path, the shortest distance between initial position to final position. This is called displacement. In this path, the starting point to end point or initial position to final position is called displacement. Definition: the shortest distance between the shortest distance between the shortest distance between initial position to final position initial position to final position is called displacement. Is called displacement. It is a vector. It is a vector. It is denoted by S bar. It is denoted by S bar. It having units. It having units centimeter, meter, kilometer. Next, it is positive, negative and zero. It is positive, negative and zero. Displacement means the shortest distance between initial position to final position. It is called displacement. It is a vector. What is meant by vector? Vector means the physical quantity which having both magnitude and direction is called vector. It is denoted by S bar. It is denoted by S bar. It having units centimeter, meter, kilometer. It is positive, negative and zero. Suppose we are moving forward. Suppose we are moving forward, displacement is positive. Suppose we are moving forward, displacement is positive. We coming backward, displacement is negative. We coming backward, displacement is negative. Suppose we are start this point and move to forward and come back to the same point The total displacement is zero. Total displacement is 0. Forward direction +2 meters. Backward direction -2 meters. Total displacement is 0. Total displacement is 0. Suppose if a lecturer move forward 10 steps and come back to 10 steps, his final displacement is 0. Displacement positive, negative and 0. If we move forward, displacement is positive. We move backward, displacement is negative.